Water transforms land. Canyons, estuaries, beachfronts, riverbanks, and islands are all just a few examples. The Pamban Island, which is home to Rameshwaram and Dhanushkodi, is one such a landmass aesthetically designed by water. Kashmir to Kanyakumari is the common usage. Are we often forgetting several other border points of mainland India? This week's Hydrostan takes you on a journey to one of India's phenomenal border points. Welcome to nature's wonder, Dhanushkodi. One leaves mainland India to cross over to reach the largest island in the state of Tamil Nadu. This is the Pamban Island with its greenish blue ocean waters, tall temple structures, engineering marvels, and more. The Pamban Island extends for around 30 kilometers in width from the township of Pamban in the west to the remains of Dhanushkodi towards the southeast. Destroyed during a cyclonic storm in 1964, this is what remains of Dhanushkodi today. This once vibrant town is vast stretches of white salty sand, bluish-green crashing waves, and miniature landmasses floating on water that gods would just hop on to reach Sri Lanka, located just over there. Dhanushkodi's vast stretch of nature and wildlife, its evolution, prosperity, and abandonment all have a water connection to it. Arichal Munai, Dhanushkodi, Rameshwaram, and Pamban are entry points to mainland India from the Gulf of Mannar. This island is a true representation of all the colors, flavors, and beauty that the mainland holds. This truly is the tip of an iceberg called India. Rameshwaram has so much more to offer. Farther away from Rameshwaram is Dhanushkodi and Arichal Munai. We saw the story of how this island, the salt pans, and the biodiversity is beyond verbal description. Hydrostan requests every viewer to be nature conscious and behave as a responsible traveler when visiting places like Kutch or Dhanushkodi, because there are very few such pockets left and it is our responsibility to protect these habitats.